This is a Singer industrial sewing machine. It's a 111W155, and this video is not intended to restore this sewing machine in any way. I'm trying to get it back into service, and the issue with it is the plate, all of the finish has got rubbed off the plate, and so it's rusty, and you don't want to run fabric across there and get rust on it. So this video is going to be about how to clean something like this and then get it painted and back in service. The end result is going to be that I'm going to spray this with some spray paint. So I'm going to go, there's some paint that's chipping, and I'm going to try to knock as much of that off as I can. Now I've just got a little bit of mineral spirits here, and I'm going to take that and some steel wool and work all over this top just to get this rust loosened up. This is also going to remove any oils. These sewing machines get oiled a lot, so they're a pretty oily thing. I can feel it getting smooth as I run this across. I do want to be careful I don't get a whole lot of mineral spirits down in the oil holes, because I have not, of course, disassembled this sewing machine in any way, nor do I plan to. And then I'm going to start cleaning it up with some paper towels. You can see how very quickly that has removed all of the rust. This was not deep pitting rust, this just like some flash rust on the top. Okay, that's got the rust off, and it's got the oils off. So now all I got to do is mask it, and I'm ready to paint. Okay, so let's start painting it. I'm just using some Krylon Fusion all-in-one primer and all, and I have blocked out a little bit more of it with some plastic wrap. Works really good around rough surfaces like that. Okay, that's got the first coat on. I will come back and put about 2 more coats on here before I'm done. Okay, that's got it painted. I actually wound up just putting 2 coats of paint on there. That seemed to cover it. So now I just got to get the masking off. I found over the years that you're better off to pull that masking off early. If you let it dry, a lot of times you'll have little flakes along the edges that kind of raise up. So if you pull it off early, it'll just tear evenly with the side there. Alright, I think that's got this ready to go back in service. I'll let it sit and harden for probably about a week before I use it. Now, you may notice I didn't mask off these oilers because they're almost impossible to do, because you don't want to be any bigger than that, and the tops stick up. They're actually probably a little oily, so once this hardens in about a week, I'll come in here and kind of scratch them, and all that paint should just come right off the top of it. Well, I hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.